How to fix the ChatGPT application something went wrong. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be dealing and discussing with the topic that is a ChatGPT app not working properly on your device, or it's indicating something went wrong. So you're not able to access your ChatGPT account. We are here to help. So first of all, you have to make sure that the ChatGPT application is installed in your mobile device. You can go to the Play Store and then search for ChatGPT application. Once you find it, click on it and click on install button and wait for it to install completely on your mobile device. Now, once it is installed in your mobile device, simply tap on open, or if you have already installed the application on your mobile device, then make sure that you update it to the latest version with the help of Play Store. Now click on sign up and sign in using your specific Google account or your email address or any form of other account to your ChatGPT account. Now, once you have logged in with your specific account, go to the settings, scroll down and go to apps. Now from here, simply scroll down and search for ChatGPT application, or you can just simply search for it. And now scroll down and go to storage, and now click on clear cache and also click on clear data. Now come back, click on force stop application and then enable it again. Then after, go to battery, make sure that it is set to optimized. Again, come to permissions and make sure that you have given all the permissions to this application. After that, come back and try uninstalling this application completely from your device. Again, open the Play Store and then search for a ChatGPT application and then tap on install to install it to the latest version available. So that's all for this video. After that, you can just simply restart your mobile device. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.